Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Fatur, and here I'm gonna explain about around management. Okay, before we're gonna start explaining this question about management, I want to say thank you to my lecturer, M.SI Setiawan, who is the lecturer of management. Okay, let's not take for too long. Okay, the first one is for a manager. Which one most important, theory or experience? In my opinion, both are important to run an organization and also for a manager. But we're gonna run about the organization. I think theory must be important because if we gonna run something, or I don't care what the hell is like run organization or learn something, we must have a theory first. Yeah, theory first. Yeah, I know experience is more important than theory, but experience without theory, I think is nothing. Just like you drink milk without a glass. And the second question is, what are the challenges for a manager who run a service-based organization or company in the current era of digital technology development, and what steps must be taken? The first one must be taken is communication. Because what? If we have a good communication, the organization will be good. And the second one is vision. If we have a good vision, the company will be good still far. And the third is we must see the technology in this now. Because what? The technology will be going forward. And the fourth is we must have a good adaptation to the situation. And number 5 is we must have a strategy. Number 6, we must have good innovation. And the last one is we must take a risk. Because what? If we gonna take a risk, yeah, I know take a risk is danger, but it will be good to the forward. Okay, that's I can explain about the management, and the question is, I'm sorry if I have a bad word to all of you. I have a little calf have a quotes to all of you. Yesterday, tomorrow is today. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.